Hey, all right guys, welcome back to this week's video. As you can see, we are continuing the camper restoration, refit, rebuild, one of those. But I cleaned up the rest of this. I got the closets cleaned up, got the carpets cleaned, the closet came clean. Also cleaned out the bathroom a little bit, sprayed it down, got the garden hose in here and hosed it. My garnish on the fan is melted. The fan blades are good on that one. Oh, the screen looks melted too, doesn't it? Oh well, if it ain't something, it's something else, isn't it? All right, so what I want to get done is I want to remove this cabinet and then remove some of the wood and see, hopefully I'd like to try to get the back wall rewired, insulated, and put some new wood over it. But let's get into taking this cabinet out. Got my cabinet's Sugi band. What do you think? Got Ziplocs, put my stuff in. It's gonna make it easy to know what I need. One door down. I need something to lift my butt up. Got a step. There. So much better. Door number 2 down. These things are charred pretty hard. I've got like alligator charring. Can you see that? Pretty fancy. People pay a lot for that. All right, so we've got the hardware off. We'll pop out some of the electrical. Let's see if we can get this. How can I get that off? What do I got here? I got this. I think these, if we stick this down, is that under there? It feels like it's under there. We should be able to. Pop this up without doing too much damage to it. Get my finger under here. So now we can get the wiring out of here. There's 12-volt wiring right here, and then 120 that goes back to that. These are what the microwave sat on. Those are loose. Oh, we got some more up here for the 12 volts. It's just melted on there. All right. leave the 12 volt in. I already pulled that outlet and cut it. Oh, come on. Maybe if we... That'll work, I guess. We'll just rescrew that face on. Whoa, whoa. So I think we got all the screws out of it. Let go. Did I forget a screw there? I did. Make sure you take out all your screws. Face frame's off. Well, that's not too bad, just surface charring, I guess. Maybe it's optimistic of me, isn't it? Surface charring. Okay, I want to pull some of this plywood off and see what we're gonna deal with back there. Little cutter. Battery. I have to charge these up. Give me my battery. Hit my door. I think there's a wood trim around there. This wood frame goes out pretty far, huh? I don't know how they got it on there. Glued or what? Like a smiley face there? Just happy. This is where the ladder mounts. There's another there, and they have it backed with a piece of that metal. And that's what they're screwing into. Huh. I would have thought that it probably should have been something a little more substantial. I think I'm gonna call it for the day. Let me show you what I got done here. This wall, there was a water leak up there. You can kind of see it's dry, but you can see where water came through, and that's the driver's side marker light. But what I'm going to do is put foam into here, and then I'm going to overlap. This is the existing foam. I'm going to overlap my wood on top of that so we have a solid surface where it transitions. The foam is going to slide back behind. I left like 1.5 inches over there. This wall on the slide was melted. It was good. Kind of like right here you can see. But I pulled that all out. Now we'll put a new foam in there. And then this side right here also, I mean, it's not melted completely, but it is melted. So we're just gonna pop this out. Right. Pop that out, take this foam out of here. And then we'll shove the new foam back in here to hold it with this, because this wood right here is sandwiched between this sidewall, so I don't want anything to do with that. All right, well, that's it for today. I'm going to clean up in here a little bit, I think, and then we'll pick this up tomorrow. I'll cruise up to the hardware store and get some foam and some wood. All right, guys, we will see you tomorrow. Hey, all right, welcome back, guys. Day 2 here. So this morning I went up to Home Depot and I picked up some 1-inch rigid foam board insulation. Got a sheet of it sitting out there. I picked up some of the plywood as well that's going to go on the walls. So I'm going to make everything that's got the burn outline here in the kitchen area is going to be wainscoting. So right now I just got a piece of styrofoam here that I cut up. I rewired this too, just not too long ago. Put new wires in. I was just going to get the insulation cut up for here above the door and in the slide area there. That's where we're at today. It's Easter Sunday, so I don't know how long I'm going to be working on this. I'm just going to finish cutting the insulation probably. I don't think I'm going to do too much today. All right, to work. A little bit big. I don't think we need to smash it in there, so I'm just gonna take off a smidge. Yep, all right, that'll work. Let's leave that there. Glue that up. 23 3/4. 25 3/4. What do we got here? 26, 23 3/4. Is that right? No, that's not right. 23 3/4 this way. All right, here we go. Got it cut. What do you think? Think it's gonna fit? Might need a little off of my width. Yeah, that'll work. Let's get these two. This is gonna be 15, 19 and a half. Why does that look like it's swollen? This looks swollen for some reason. That is 1.25 inches. Why is that swollen? The wall even looks bowed. There's a gap there and a gap there. Not down there. Does that make sense? Why is that bowed? Alright, let's see here. Let's get her from this side. 27. Let's come down 27 over here. Right there. It's back at 1 inch, so we'll do 15 by 26. Let me go cut that. A little off. Alright, let's see here. Yep, that'll work. 12 by 7.25. Okay, we got that one to fit in there, or close enough. It's going to take a little coercing to get it in there, but I don't know if I need to fill that. Maybe I'll put a little plug in those. This one, I think I'm going to leave it. I'm just going to trim it right there, and then because I'm going to do wainscoting, and then this will get cleaned and painted inside the cabinet. All this down here will be wainscoting. This whole wall all the way down to the floor will get wainscoting, and then of course the roof. So, but I think that's gonna do it for this video, guys. So I think that'll wrap it up. Thanks for hanging out with me. I appreciate it. Stay curious, chase the sun, happy roaming. I'll see you around the bend.